Okay.
Hi, boys and girls.
Hi, boys and girls. Today we went to the Lego store at the mall.
And guess what I got?
Greyson got. It's in the back. Okay. Greyson got this.
And in the back is this.
So we had a pizza guy.
We're gonna open it.
Yeah. So we had a pizza guy, and you see,
He
the
was
pizza
like
guy right there.
right there. He
That's
was
the
like
pizza.
that, and
Now he
he
turned
used
into
to
a
make
recycling
pizza, and now he's a
Recycling guy. So we're gonna be opening it.
yeah.
Be right back. Let me get scissors.
Open it by myself. Boom!
Oh, I got scissors. What's up?
Oh! Don't do this.
I am a trained professional for using scissors.
Because he's 8 years old and not 5 years old.
Grayson's actually.
Yeah, you know I got.
Oh, I got him open. That was weird.
Oh my god!
So, okay, wait, Grayson, wait.
Look.
So we got the truck.
And the
We
trash.
got the 2 trash cans. Oh, look, they got holes in them.
Yeah.
And we got, so I guess this goes on here.
I can do
Oh,
it.
you see?
It's backwards.
Oh, it is. Good job. So this is the directions.
We don't need the directions.
Then these are the things in there. Daddy's moving.
Sorry. What's in the way? What's that? Oh, that's a ladder. Okay, go ahead. Sorry,
That
guys.
is in there.
Okay. Cool. You shake the table, it's gonna fall out. See?
Patient. You got it?
There you go.
Okay, that's good.
The bird is holding it up.
Thank you, bird. So, these are labels to this.
Look,
There's some more stuff.
that I'm gonna put these right here next, both of them.
Okay, so I guess this goes on.
Yeah, right there.
Here. Wait. Is it supposed to be a black thing? Where's the direction?
And what?
Yeah. Okay, I got it. Where's the scissors? I got it. Scissors. Be careful.
Don't try this at home.
Well, I have parents' permission.
Ah! What the heck?
Literally.
Want the bag?
Huh?
I got the bag for you. See the big bag from Lego?
Yeah.
Hello.
Put the bag in the picture? Okay.
Put the trash in here.
Yes, so these are little so you got 3 colors.
Because
and
there's
3 color of these. So,
where they go. Thank you.
so which one does so?
I want to do this one first.
So the blue one goes in that one. That looks awesome. I like it.
Me too.
With the put the green one into the green garbage bin.
So what are you making?
We're making this.
What is it? This. Duplo? Duplo, it is what? 6 months
You
to...
did see it,
No,
so
2 plus.
I will
2
do
years
it again.
plus.
So okay, I can do it for you.
I can do it for
Grayson,
I can do it.
I'm gonna build this.
So it's like a trash truck.
What the green
Truck.
one?
Cool. Sanitation truck.
What?
That's awesome.
Oh yeah. So look, I got it to work. I got it to work.
Okay.
Ta-da! They're in here.
Okay, they're all in there. So where's the bench? So this, I guess this is the bench. Yep. See, that's a bench.
Yep.
So.
And where's the broom?
Oh, so this goes. Oh no. Camera. Daddy.
Uh-oh, good catch. How'd that happen? How'd that happen?
Ah,
There you go.
okay, it's
Oh,
not
yeah.
gonna-
Commercial break.
There you go.
No commercial break. Yes. Commercial break. What? So I got the truck. So I got the truck working. What is this block for? So this block is nothing.
No!
This is for nothing.
I can do it.
So you put these in there.
It's for brooming. Brooming stuff.
Brooming. Oh, no, it's for this.
See?
That's for the seed. But you can put that in there sometimes.
Whatever.
So this gray piece goes into the
What's his name?
we're just gonna Steve. It's gonna make a random name.
Oh, Greyson, I can't see your face.
And he has a son. No, son. I said stun. His son's name is Jamie.
No.
Jamie.
I won't call him Jamie.
What do you want to call him?
Michael.
Michael? That's my friend's name. So come on.
Joey.
Joey? Okay, Joey. What if Michael watches this? My friend. We've been friends since kindergarten.
Hi, Michael.
Michael, saying. So, okay, he's in the... Whatever. I'm tired. So, I'm just gonna try to make like this, what they have in the box. Okay.
So you think it's easy to make? It's easy to build?
It's
Real easy. It's, for the age group, and as you get older, it gets more complicated and more complex. So it's really good. That was nice. Helping your little brother out with the DUPLO. So, and then you're gonna showcase yours in a few minutes.
So,
Just in a little bit.
yeah, so...
Whenever Grayson's finished his.
Sorry, finished.
Okay.
Let's play with this.
Almost. Give him some time.
Taking the class out.
Taking the trash. No, it's supposed to be going in here. That's why they have buckets.
No, he's taking the trash out.
Put the trash in there. Come on, son. Put the trash in there. Come on, son. Come on, son. Okay, good. Now we can go drive. Let's go. Son, do you want to drive? No, Dad.
Stinky.
I'm 67 years old.
No, I'm 4 years old. See?
You don't want to drive the car?
No.
Okay, you're gonna sit up here. But it's so dangerous. Okay. Wait a minute. Can you put this? I can put these fingers in. Wait a minute. Look, I just realized. Look, so these are supposed to be going in there with that.
What the poopy?
Okay, I have found all of these that goes in there. And I have this, thank you. So you put these little blocks and then put them in the side. Okay, so okay, it doesn't close. So it doesn't close. That's why it's for trash can.
I'm gone. I'm in the video.
Greyson, disappear. Boom! Ah! Okay, so this is a cool toy. Greyson, stop. Here's all pushing yo. So this is a cool toy to play with. Oh! This is a cool toy this is a cool toy. Like,
So he can sit on the bench.
so the kid and where's the dude? Where's the daddy? Where's Jimmy? I forgot his name. I'm just gonna
Jimmy.
Steve. Come on, Steve. Sit with your brother. I mean, sit. Okay.
Joey.
Okay. Okay, this was a cool toy. So, Greyson, you go play with this. While
You gotta play with me.
Now I gotta show me. Okay, here.
I'm stuck in
This box. This box is no more. So I got something else from the Lego store. So Greyson got his. Oh, we can stack this. We can stack this. So I got something that I got.
Legos!
Not just Legos.
Little Legos.
Well, little Legos, not like.
People Legos too.
Okay, Greyson.
These.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Oh crap! Ouch!
This is what I got. This is what I got from the Lego store that Greyson got.
And it has a baby in it.
Let me talk. Okay. So I got this from the mall too, from the Lego store. Here's where Greyson got his. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is a really cool playset. I never had. I love Legos. Greyson.
I like Legos too.
So I got Legos.
Well, I got Legos.
I like Legos. I believe, Greyson, you talk about your Legos. I'm gonna get something that I built back.
Yeah, gone.
I'm coming.
Hey, give it up! And that is up.
I got.
It's awesome.
It's going good.
Wow. So
I got this.
Okay.
I built this when it was Christmas.
So here's the box, right?
Yeah, that's the box. So I built that. And there's many different
There's a creator. It's a Lego creator, but what's it's like a lion, or a saber-toothed tiger.
Yes, wait, is this
Or a lion. It looks like a lion.
Hi.
There's a saber-toothed
Some type
tiger.
of robo. Oh no, it's wild lion. That's what it says. A wild lion.
Wait, wild lions have
Yeah.
these sharp things?
Yep. Sharp teeth, fangs.
It
Yes.
doesn't look like it. I don't really see that
Alright.
before.
4 inches.
I made that, so this, Daddy told me to get it for, how much was
It's $20.
it? Yeah,
So we'll check it out on our next video, our next segment. Jonathan is going to showcase his. All right. So
When I'm
thanks
done.
for watching, guys. We
Thanks for
appreciate
Bye. Give
you.
us a like.
Share and like our videos. They did it all by themselves.
Give us 100,000,161,000 likes.
Okay, bye.
Okay.